Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Ambire Wallet with Web3 DApps on PC. Ambire Wallet is a smart Web3 wallet that allows you to securely store, send and manage cryptocurrencies, but one of its most powerful features is the ability to connect and interact with Web3 DApps, also known as decentralized application. Web3 DApps includes platforms like decentralized exchange, NFT marketplaces, staking, performance, DeFi apps, and more. And in this video, I show you step by step on how to use Ambire Wallet with Web3 DApps on your PC in a fully detailed. First, open any of the web browser. In the top right corner, we can find this extension here. Go to this Ambire Web3 Wallet extension, and over here, once you reach into this interface of your Ambire Wallet, in the top right, we can find this three-lined icon. Select this three-lined icon here, and you reach into this settings interface. So simply go to this network just below the accounts. Over here, you need to choose the correct network, either for the Ethereum, OP mainnet, BNB chain, and you can select add network from the chain list, or you can also add network manually. That is it. That's how you use Ambire Wallet with Web3 DApps on PC. Connecting with your wallet allows you to trade, stake, mint NFTs, and interact with the decentralized web securely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.